Super delicious, crunchy and healthy Paneer Kachodi. Prepared in air fryer with 80% less oil.
Wow, I have never tried such a taste Kachodi.
Hope you will also like it. Subtitles available in multiple languages. Take 1 cup wheat flour. Add 1 cup plain flour. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Add a 1/4 cup oil. Mix well and make soft smooth dough. Slowly add small amount of water and mix it. Dough it ready. Leave it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Take 200 grams paneer cottage cheese. Mash it properly. Add 1 teaspoon crushed black pepper, a half teaspoon chili flakes or to taste, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 finely chopped green chillies, salt to taste. Mix well. After 15 minutes or so, mix well. Cut into equal pieces. Take 1 piece and make a bowl like this. Fill the mixture. Fold it like this. Make a flat round shape. Place in preheated air fryer. Set for 15 minutes at 200 degrees C. After 8 minutes, stop. Apply butter or ghee. Flip it and apply butter or ghee. Keep on flipping in between. Once ready, take this out.
Wow, I can't wait to try this. Please don't wait to prepare this recipe.
Please feel free to subscribe my channel.